Imagine yourself in this 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2015 interim processing code, seats, second row bucket power release, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, automatic headlights, remote trunk release and power liftgate. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.